I'm Mayor Bill McMurray, and I'd like to take a moment to talk to you about a topic that is on everyone's mind, that of COVID-19. The coronavirus is a priority facing our country and should not be taken lightly. However, we can't let it take control of our lives. We must work to reduce the spread of the virus. I'm asking for your help today as we move forward in uncharted waters. I'm asking you to do your part. I want to reassure you that the planning and preparedness is and has been in place to address the coronavirus. City staff has the knowledge, experience, the hands-on experience to respond to events of this nature. They're tasked with regular training on incident command and have a documented plan in place. City staff is working closely with our partners in the community under the guidance of the Department of Health and Senior Services, as well as the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Recently, Governor Parson announced the second presumptive positive case in Missouri. Both cases were travel-related. Presumptive positive means they've tested positive, but they're yet to be confirmed by the CDC. To date, St. Joseph has tested 6 patients. All the results were negative. However, COVID-19 in St. Joseph is not a question of if, but a question of when. And so let our community resolve to define how we're going to respond to COVID-19. Let us resolve to maintain normalcy in our lives and combat the spread of COVID-19. We're still a community that has business to conduct, children to raise, sick and diseased family to care for, jobs that we need to help pay the bills. We must maintain our daily lives. We must take the steps that we're able to do. Each and every one of us must take personal responsibility in the fight to reduce and stop the spread of this virus. So how do we do our part? Well, we all work together to help reduce the risk and protect ourselves and our community. Be diligent, be responsible, do the right thing. Do the things that we do anyway in a normal flu season. Wash your hands the right way. Take time to clean and disinfect items and surfaces that are susceptible to germs. Stay away from large crowds, especially if you're at risk and vulnerable to the virus. Stay home if you're sick. Self-isolate if necessary and take it seriously. Social distancing is critical now. Maintain a 6-foot distance from others around you. Leave the emergency room for those who truly need it. We all need to be responsible for our own actions. We move forward as business as usual with a very strong eye toward caution. We must be extremely diligent and watchful. In a world of uncertainty, we must strive for normalcy. With COVID-19, things are evolving and changing, sometimes hourly. We are closely monitoring and prepared to respond accordingly. Make sure you're getting your information from a reliable source. I promise you transparency and responsiveness. When we know something definitively, we will tell you. We will fight this virus best when we all work together to reduce the exposure, which will reduce the number of cases. We are a can-do community, and we can and we will work together to minimize the effect of COVID-19 in St. Joseph. Thank you for letting me have some of your time today. Stay diligent, stay cautious, and take steps to protect you and your family. Let us all work together for the safety and well-being of this great city that we all call home. Thank you.